Good morning, everyone. How are we doing? Good morning, good morning. Oh no. I think I accidentally hid Medman again on here. No, you good? There we go. Alright, Medman. We're good. I thought I accidentally banned you again or something. Good morning, everyone. What about this bounce here in the fair value gap? No, I don't trade data. I'm not talking to you, Danny. I'm talking to Miss Hill in the TikTok. I don't trade during data. The data strategy's on the table, though. We'll see how it plays out. It's high risk. Anytime you trade data, keep in mind it's super high risk. Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Glad to be here with you all.
First call is really nice.
Good morning, Team Bull. Good morning, everyone.
Morning, Mr. Grizzly.
How you doing this morning, Gray?
Drinking coffee, getting
Nice.
ready. Warming up.
Silver's crazy to trade, bro.
I know, but I noticed that the price action is really nice, man. Really smooth. For my strategy for the scalp is really nice. It pays a lot, but you need to be careful.
Hopefully, we can catch another winning trade today.
How's Bitcoin doing? What's Bitcoin at? 90, 92? Just hanging out at 90?
Good morning, everyone. I was telling Greg and Jada good morning and Team Bull. I'm
We need to
telling
get to probably 20 coins.
all the Team Bull members good morning.
20 coins.
What was I gonna say? I had something to tell you all. I can't remember what it was. Oh, I got some accounts at the end of these lives today to give away. So it would be for Take Profit. But I also need you all to make sure you use code Grizzly for Take Profit. I'm close to getting some more free accounts, so. Good morning. No, it's not gambling. It is you can make it gambling if you develop the habit. If you treat it like gambling, I guess. You can tell when you've been doing this for a while. Immediately, if someone says something you don't like, you can just tell what it's going to be like. Just get rid of them. People looking for attention and all that good stuff. Speedy, you have to DM me on Instagram, my friend. If you're wanting to try it, Speedy, like if you're about to try my indicator, and you're already asking if you can have money back. Just don't try it. Just don't waste my time. Respectfully. That was the same one from YouTube, man. Sorry about that, Jaden. I was dealing with something there. Data strategy looks decent today. So funny, Jackson.
It looks like a good old data strategy unless it is the BS. I would have rather we waited for that deep pullback that we've seen this morning for us to come retest those highs around like 936, 935, but just about tested them already.
I appreciate that. It says Grizzly indicator is well worth the investment. A lot of times when people do that, they just spent the money they don't have. It's never a good idea to buy something if you don't have enough money to cover it, right? And you're gonna need the money back. I just would wait until you're in better position. Don't put yourself out buying something, you know? I got them, man. It's a pull day for me. I had to. I couldn't do a couple of workouts because of my trap, but I made adjustments. I got a full workout in, so just had to switch it up a little. Yes, it's only for Trading View.
But guys, you see what happened? What happened? 9 to 4. So the perfect scenario for me will be. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Just confirm it. Yes. Okay. So for me, the perfect scenario would be going down to 9 to 4. If price action is good, of course, taking the shorts. Why? Why 9 to 4? Because it's a 4-hour hot box I have there. 9 to 4 is the top of the 4-hour hot box, which goes from 9 to 4 until 7:05.
The hot box.
Yes, sir.
Getting a little sell off towards open.
I hope they give me the scenario. The scenario is going down to 9 to 4, guys. 9 to 4. Enter this hot box. Give me some price action on the 9 to 4, some weeks out. In the 1 minute time frame. In the shorts. That's what I would like to see. going down, entering the hot box, playing some games under 9 to 4, giving some weeks up under the shorts.
Let's get it, everybody. Market's about to open, and now, trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, and choose discipline over dopamine today. Don't break your rules. Don't break your plan. Use today as a chance to get better, to improve. Just take steps towards the future you want as a trader in 2026. That's the only way this works. Take steps towards the trader you want to be.
Oh, it's the same one, man.
Heading to 9 to 4. That's it. Standing by.
Woo. Was it singing me clearly?
See if we can keep the wins coming.
And Grizzly, you've been on a roll too. You're undefeated to start the year, right?
No, I had Friday. Ended my winning streak. Had some losses Friday.
Well, almost undefeated. We both lost on Friday, that's right. I forgot you were with me on that. I thought it was just me. I got cooped on Friday. Well, not cooked, but I definitely didn't win. I almost had 2 red days in a row. Friday, and then I was almost red yesterday. I was slightly above break even, so got to snap that streak today. I don't care about streaks. I could have I could lose 5 days in a row, technically speaking, and still be all right managing my risk. But where people get into trouble is if you have a multiple day losing streak and your losses continue to get bigger and you go on tilt or your revenge trade and you lose sight of your system. You should be able to lose 3, 4, 5, 6 trades in a row and still be all right. The problem is people get upset, they get pissed off, they get emotional. And that turns into a problem in their trading. That's not that's DOD, but it's DOD in reverse. That's dopamine over discipline. We don't want dopamine over discipline.
Standing by, guys. Standing by. We're trying to go to.
Standing by.
Standing by.
All right. Sorry about that. I was taking care of something. Oh, you haven't missed anything. I'm just looking at charts. What's AMD doing? If you have any questions, drop them in chat. I gotta type something here. I don't see it set up right yet. What do you think the best move would be today, everyone? What's the best setup? Remember, everyone, stick around to the end of the live. Today I got some accounts to give away for Take Profit at the end of the live. Any trades yet, Team Pool?
No, waiting.
Yeah, I don't see anything I like in this area. Possibly that reject the pre-market high. We'll see.
Which number is that?
26045.
Okay.
It's for both, Mark. Both of you. Both TikTok and YouTube. I'd use it sometimes, Boss DJ. If I'm using one account, you know, you only can use it when you're using a single account. Let me check and see what news we have.
Okay, we got about 0 to 0. Let's see. Watching price action here. Watching price action to see if they're gonna make it a bottom. It's a fake.
We don't have any news today. I don't see it. Let me look again. We don't have any like big news that I see. What I'm trying to say. I can't read the post Jay done put out, so I'm just gonna take your word for it. I didn't see bearish divergence. Was it showing?
Yeah, I'm muted the whole time. Jeez Liz, I was saying Grizzly, what do you think about the data strategy?
I like it, but I don't like it with futures. You know, it's hitting right now, but
David, yeah, when we speak about price action, we're talking about movement of price, and for me, in accordance of volume, how candlesticks move, how price moves. That's what we're looking for.
I wanted to see us break that pre-market high for a possible reject. We didn't break it. What's the data strategy? It's a strategy I created years ago for big data like this. Basically shorting the highs or buying puts. It would have worked out here, but it's just super high risk with futures. You know, because with options we're limited to, wow. Rip.
Look at that data strategy, Grizzly.
Yeah, it just fell apart, man. I didn't take it with futures, everyone. It's just really high risk. You have to take it with options if you want to do it properly. Put options. QQQ or SPY.
Crazy.
God.
That was extremely aggressive, though, wasn't it? It didn't break. It didn't break pre-market high either.
Just about got there. Not quite.
Yeah, it's interesting.
That's why we wait.
When do we get our tariff news? Is it tomorrow?
It's in my channel here. Let me look.
I know they changed it before.
Still getting used to the new layout. Takes me. There we go. I think it's tomorrow. Yeah.
That could give us some significant movement. Up or down. Alright guys, our 15-minute range is in. Let's go ahead and mark that out. 15-minute high, 15-minute low. Let's mark out our pre-market high. Tilt that blue, not getting confused. And let's mark out our pre-market low. Alright. We got our range in. Our range is in, everybody. 15 minutes in, please remember to choose DOD today.
Let's see here.
Choose DOD, you get more payouts, get more progress. is. You gotta be signed up if you want to join the live training tonight.
This is interesting. Which way is it gonna go?
And then by waiting, get out from this range. Waiting either for 9 to 4 or 0 to 0.
Did anybody see what the delta was on this candle here? Was it Benner? Was it green? The delta was green on that? Interesting.
Choose DOD on this side. We are right around the 50% retracement too.
Pull
See,
up
nothing for
the
me.
footprint charts, someone on TradingView, and zoom in on this candle and tell me what it says. I'm watching something here for a possible entry. You go right here to check it. Change it.
Yep, that's a good way to do it. Am I going to the Denver game? I'm not. Potential golds for pullback. We'll see. I'm watching it. It's on the screen.
We'll see, JP. Waiting.
Can you come into Brosh's party? Yeah. Me think so. I'm getting everyone wings.
James gonna come to Tennessee party with me, J-Dun.
Yeah, he's on party with you.
Yeah, I'm still in your assistant.
It's at 2:30 on Saturday. What? You're getting pissed? Gene's gonna get pissed and go and cry.
Why? Why is he upset?
Gene's a sore loser. But respectfully, so am I. I don't like to lose either. Gene says he's quitting trading for a year if the Broncos lose. Says he's retiring. No trades yet, just watching. We're literally right around opening ground. Like, we're not right there, but close. We're right in the middle of this range.
He must have really hated. Oh, sorry, go ahead.
I was just saying, when we're in the middle of this opening range, when we're between pre-market high and pre-market low and 15-minute high and 15-minute low, like, we're truly in the middle of both of our key levels, it's a very low likelihood that I'm going to take a trade.
Any questions for me, everyone? I was just listening to the football talk there, messing with Gene a little bit. Any questions at all? One thing, appreciate everyone for showing up this morning, and if you haven't already, follow, because I do go live every morning. We had a winning trade yesterday. Trying to give you all another one today, but we have to get out of this little area we're in here. Who was that? Keith. Where did you see the bearish divergence? What was it? What time frame was you on, or did I miss it on my screen here? Because that's a massive move, right? Good morning. Welcome in. Is it 15-minute? You like using the 15-minute, right, Danny, for the dashboard? Good morning. No, user, it does not. SPY and SPX together, or SPY and ES, QQQ and NQ. What was the question? Henny, the dashboard is used for extra confirmation. So if we're pushing up into, let's say, supply, right? Or at a key level you was looking to reject, and you've seen bearish divergence plus VIX confirming, that would be added confirmation. And when it all confirms together, A plus setup. Make sense, Henny? Welcome in, Mr. Babar. How are you? Let's see, possible setup. What do you all think about a short entry at 983? Stops at 2604. What's your thoughts on that if we get up there? If we get back up there. Any thoughts? Oh, that was our entry. We didn't decide in time. We should have entered around the 80, I guess. I didn't take it. I didn't. I was looking for, waiting on us to decide together. Don't get FOMO and chase, everyone. It's okay. We didn't decide quick enough on that one. This is not the type of trade you take on close of the candle just because the price action. Yeah, stupid news about to drop the data, so let's just, well, we got like a minute 50 seconds, so let's let that get out of the way. Still like shorts up there though. I don't have a stop loss. I didn't get into the trade. I did. I said I wasn't. I didn't get in. And getting in at this point would be chasing the move. We missed our entry. That's okay. It's all good. Hopefully we can catch another data drops. Let me talk to Team Bull real quick. We have data dropping, everyone. Just a heads up. I think the Forex Factory, Pat, is a free one. Look at news. I believe that's the name of the website. You all can correct me in chat if I'm wrong.
Yep. Data did nothing. All right, we're still in this range, guys. So, still in this range, no trades. Staying patient until we break the range. I mean, this is just not tradable. Scalpable, sure.
Oh my goodness. I keep hesitating on these shorts.
Volume hasn't confirmed for me at all. Otherwise, I prefer shorts over longs at the moment too. We're below the 50% retracement. Looks like we want to test that potential low a day. And my only fear is that we have
Wow.
a bounce spot.
I gotta quit
900s.
doubting myself, man.
It wasn't really supported by volume, though. I get it. This candle might be, though.
This is probably where it bounced. The way this week's going.
Yep.
Look at this nonsense. This bothers me when I miss the move.
Yeah, we entered the bottom.
Oh.
2 more minutes, or a minute and 30 seconds until this candle closes. All right, let's see.
It's gonna do some kind of dumb wake back up here.
I
Make
might
this.
try the retest of the orb if we can get a close. That's not what I want to see. If we can close on here, retest them to like 30 to 40. Shorts will stop with like 70.
I'm gonna mute. I gotta focus. Sometimes people talking cause me to doubt myself as well. Different opinions. Let's see. This is a candle, everyone. This is the high volume, but where does it close at? Our stops will have to be at 970 on the trade when we enter shorts, if we get an entry. This has got positive delta on this candle. You all believe that? I gotta talk to Team Bull. The candle had positive delta.
How am I supposed to short that?
That's what I'm saying.
I can't short that. I mean, we could continue down, but we have over 50% of the wick back up, and we close would be right at that previous low, that 2-minute low. This is the level I wanted to see for shorts, but it's just so high risk. Close below it, technically it's valid.
Stops would have to be at 970. Yeah, I just can't take the shorts here, everyone.
Watching price action, right? Watching price action to see if we take the shorts or not. Unloading the shorts. Standing by.
That's all I like too, is the shorts. This candle's just a little sketchy. What'd you say, Gene? You like that? I'm not in anything though. 280 total. Yeah, literally half that candle is just wick to the upside.
This is this
I like short
weird
numbers
price actually.
because we have to see the price action inside the 9 to 4. I'm also looking longs above 9 to 4, so I'm watching right now. I don't have any bias. This is why we're heading now. 9 to 4 again. Watching closely. Don't feel the breeze, oh baby, take my hand.
I'm starting to like shorts again here if we don't get too much risk.
I still only like shorts for now. I'm not in any trades though. Not in anything. Just this candle's tough to short right here. If we would have had a close down like at 9:10, a stronger close, I would have for sure taken shorts on this pop up with stops above 70. If we would have had a stronger close in this candle, I would have been in shorts up here with stops above this candle wick high right here. We'll see how this next candle closes. Maybe this will give us an entry. It's not looking like it with volume, but good.
Watching, guys, watching. The Kinky Show, guys. Taking the shots.
Trying some shorts, Greg.
Yes, sir. Kinky shots. My entry was at 9 to 0.
I just can't take the shorts here, everyone. I hope it prints, but just
The plus is
that previous candle just messed up any strategy we could try to convince ourselves is there. You know?
Hopefully you get a flush below like 890.
thank you. Looking for 849.
So we had a lowering volume on this, but higher volume than the previous sell candle.
Now that candle, let's see.
We are green. We're 10 points green. Haven't tripped yet. It's working a little bit more.
30 to 160.
The plus is still 41. 25941. Yeah.
If we push up to the 30s, I'm gonna try some
Yeah.
shorts.
I am too, Grizz. I was about to say, if we go to 30, I'll try shorts.
32 would be ideal. Oh,
Well, a 30-point stop above 60. Yeah.
everyone hear me on that? Around 9:30, I would try some shorts. I like that stop as well, that 960 stop, if we get up there. If we make it,
Go.
if we make a low day first, that trade's invalid for me.
My fingers on the trigger. I don't think we're gonna get it though, guys. I think we're gonna go all day first. Right here.
3 minutes on here, guys. Okay, it's 3 minutes on.
see.
We shall.
I'm willing to try it at 9:30. I'm not looking at gold though. I'm not sure we're gonna get it though, guys. We're not. Seen the sign of life. We want to trap some late buyers. Don't let these buyers want to get trapped. These sellers are still in control. And if we get that flush below 890 first, the trade's going to be invalid. If we flush this low a day at 890, we're likely to test that my price target of 870s if we got the trade.
My stop is break even now, guys, because I trim already. One stop out break even. Let's see if we can re-enter or not. Taking the shorts again.
That might be. One second, Greg. I think that might be the pop-up we get. And then, again, if we don't see this move hit our retest before taking out low a day, then it's invalid. I won't let us, if we take out low a day, I won't try it in the retest.
That's interesting. You said ES has bullish div and VIX confirming.
I trim the first one, one stop out break even, and took it back.
So I'm glad NQ doesn't have it here.
1.5. Stop loss is at 36. 936. Reason why I took it because we are inside the hot box. So. One green trade already. Small trade. Let's see if we can get the big one.
Welcome in, everyone.
Oh, looks like it's going to invalidate my setup. Just thinking about it.
I only have one more setup I like after this. If we don't get this entry, the only bounce I like is
30 minutes max.
below the pre-market low area for a bounce. You can see the zone. Sorry, my some of this is kind of cluttered because it's hard for me to spread it out for you all on these small charts.
I'd like to see it pop up to 930 shorts, but if we take out 892, then that is no longer valid. If you got low day, that trade is no longer valid. And then setups on watch, it likely becomes a no trade day.
What's up, Ken? I didn't see
Because
what
I
you
can't
said.
stick
My
around for
bad.
normal- All right, yep, trade's invalid, guys. No more trade in this pop up. If we pop up to 930, I will not take the shorts, everybody. I will not take the shorts if we pop up unless something in price action changes.
Trim zone, guys. Stop loss of break even again. Trim zone.
You know what today looks good for? Just a price action, and this is my opinion, and this is from, I guess, experience. But I would say like the V-shape reversal would be ideal. You know what I'm talking about? When you get that massive reversal candle on high volume, typically when you sweep below that pre-market low, reclaim on high volume and get a nice continuation to the upside. Grisology smacking on the orb today, though. We would have been in this trade if we just went a little higher on the retracement here. I was trying to allow us for the proper risk to reward there. Yeah, data strategy was it, huh?
I might candle it. Maybe that'll help.
This price action J Dun looks perfect for the V-shaped reversal.
Yep, on the BS. We'll see. We'll see.
No, I'm no longer looking for a pop-up for a short entry, everyone. The last level I like is this zone below pre-market low. Watching for a bounce and the hourly demand. If we flush 845, even that setup's invalid.
Literally needed like 6 more points to start my position up there. Didn't get it. Annoying, but it's alright. Follow the plan.
Give me some more, guys. Stop losing profit now.
No shorts for me. I'm chilling. If we get a close, maybe the only other possible scenario here.
Nice, Danny. Have a
Mark
good
strong
time, man.
games. If we get a full body close down here. Hold on a minute. Full body aggressive close below pre-market low. Maybe a retest back up to try. I'm a little weary of this sweeping pre-market low than making our way back up, especially with how data looked this morning.
Remember, everyone, stick around to the end.
Always
I
make
got some
money.
accounts.
Let's see here, 930, 890. And we didn't get the close. So, puts us back to square one. Back to square one.
Interesting.
Eight 4-9, guys. Aiming for 8-4-9, right? We need to be careful at that level. Possible bounce.
It's gonna do the BS.
There you go. Keep going, baby. Keep going down.
This invalidated my bounce.
Last setup I'm willing to take is if we get another solid.
Well, everyone, that was all I was watching for the day. I don't think even taking shorts below this pre-market low is a good play at this point. We're getting overextended. We've made the move up nearly to pre-market high. I missed a short entry because I hesitated, so that's on me, but I don't see another valid setup. The trade I would look for today, for those that plan on trading longer, is the reversal. The high volume reversal candle. If there's too much risk, wait on the retracement of, okay? I was gonna give away some 50K take profit evals. If anybody uses take profit, does anybody use code Grizzly as well? Thomas Run, or however you say your last name. I'm not even gonna try it again. Thomas on TikTok. You around? I see you hitting likes. Thomas, are you listening or just hitting likes? Alright, let me pick one. If he wants one, Medman. Alright, let me look over here at YouTube. Henny Visuals, you can have one of the accounts. So, before anybody leaves, I'm going to give more away. How it works, Henny, you have to go to my Instagram, DM me the email linked to your Take Profit account. You have to have a Take Profit account, you have to send me the email linked. That's how they transfer the credits. Okay, so there's picked one. Nick D on TikTok. DM me on Instagram. How many have I gave away there? How many is that? 2? We never get Thomas to reply. Hunt Joey on YouTube. And that's the only 3 I'm giving away today. I'll have to give Thomas a different one if he sees this. So I gave away 3 50Ks. I need everyone to use code Grizzly on Take Profit. I can give away some more accounts tomorrow if so. The more I sell through them, the more free accounts I get. This is how it works with them. Which is weird, the other ones are not like that. But I may jump on here for Power Hour today as well. So I see a possible setup here. It's just high risk. Yeah, I think we made the best decision just waiting for tomorrow. But I appreciate you all for showing up, and I'll be back in the morning and possibly during Power Hour today.